next word you may take, for example, refrigerator. 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 No, this is not required here. Refrigerator. So refrigerator, you cut, you clip this part, you even clip this part. You are left with this part, but the spelling is changed. How do you spell? You spell fridge this way. You are left with fridge. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
This is just to tell you types of clipping. Otherwise, we are going to discuss many examples with them. Like whatever they ask you in exam, so that there are chances of say getting a known word, a known clipped word for instance. Okay. Now, the last type of clipping is complex clipping. Complex clipping. Now, complex, that means it's not as simple as fore clipping is, or say as simple as back clipping is. What do you do in complex clipping? Yes, in this kind of clipping, one of the parts of the original compound word remains the same. Okay, here you have compound words and one of the compound word remains the same. For example, okay, complex words, like although we have complex sentences and compound sentences, but you shouldn't be confused. Okay, it's something different. When we are talking about complex clipping, we are talking about compound words. We are talking about for example, optical art. Now, optical art, what is it? It's a compound word. What is it?
Compound.
It's a compound word. And what do we do here? We retain just the front part of it and the second compound word. Okay. Now this is a compound word. We are taking one of the root words from here. So this is called as op art. Since it isn't that easy as fore clipping or back clipping is, that is why I think they have named it as complex clipping. So it is a little bit complex. Okay, let us take another example. Organization man. Organization or organization. Organization. Americans, write Z, but British write S there. Organization. You can even write Z here. Okay, it's okay both ways. Organization. Organization man. Now this again is a compound word. What are compound words? We already discussed compound words. Compound words are those words where two root words are combined together. So organization man. So what do? You take the first part of the first word and the second compound word, the entire compound word, the second root. Okay, the second free form. You are left with augment. So this is so we have discussed 4 types of clipping. Let us repeat the types of clipping we have discussed. Just
Back clipping.
back clipping, very good. Fore clipping, middle clipping,
Complex clipping.
and the complex clipping. Okay. Now let us discuss more and more examples. And I would like you to come out with examples that you know, because clipped words are very common, and I know you too know a number of words. So here you may have original word. Original word is the actual word, in fact, okay, the real word, and here you have the clipped word. clipped word. Now, okay, the very common, I will be taking very common examples. Okay, common examples means which are generally asked in exam. Asked in exam, just exam. Exam is a clipped word. And normally I use the word exam. And in fact, it is a clipped word. The real word, the actual word, the original word is examination. Examination. Okay? And in hostels or say in guest houses, what do you have? You have dormitory. Here, I think dormitory is used quite often, and this clipped word is not used that often. Dorm. Okay, what is the clipped word? Dorm is the clipped word. So it's not necessary that clipped words are more popular than the original words. No, it's not so. And they have gained currency only recently. Say in last 2 decades, for that matter. Okay, shall we remove them? Now say gymnasium. 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 Now it's a very common word, and even the clipped word is very common. Can you tell me what is the word?
Gym.
Is gym. Very good. Gym. Nice. Okay. Now again I'm taking a very common word. We seldom say mathematics. Okay. I had mathematics in 10th standard, and I was very scared of this. And that is why I opted for humanities. I don't know, I found it very tough. I always liked humanities, especially the English language. And I think that's why I'm a teacher of English or a student of English. So mathematics, and what is the clipped word? Math or maths, for that matter. You either say math or maths. So this is the clipped word. Shall I remove? Please keep taking them down so that you remember them, these words. At least you must prepare say around 50-60 words. Make it a habit to keep writing there in your notebooks. You are not writing, please write. Now this again is a very long word, memorandum. Memorandum. We need to clip words only when the words are very long. Okay? If a word is small, we don't need to clip it. So what is the clip word? Memo. He has been served memo. And we do not say he has been served memorandum. We say that he has been served memo. The employer has served memo. Okay. Now